Projects. Welcome to the Masters Planning Portal Projects tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be learning on how to use the Projects module, where you can add, edit, and delete projects you wish to develop or use in the Feasibility module for costs and funding of the development. So, to go to the Projects module, click Projects in the navigation menu on the left. It will display the current projects you have created. To start a new project, click Add Project on the top right of the box. Give the project a name and a projected start date if applicable. Provide a description on the site, the proposed development, or any information you feel important to keep a record of here. You can then add the address or addresses of the project that you will be purchasing, developing, or considering purchasing and developing. Provide the number of units you wish to put on the site if applicable, the proposed development by council definition, and the structure. You may also put in the fields of how many of each type of unit you expect to put on this project, if applicable. Expected construction, land, and sales costs, plus any encumbrances or debts on the land, can also be added here, if applicable. You should prepare an estimated time to completion on the project, if applicable, and estimated profit margin, which we expect will come from your quick feasibility you've done on this site before making it a project. You can also add a proposed settlement time for the purchase of the site, if applicable. Once you have filled all the relevant fields to your project, be sure to save, and you can now keep this project as a reference and use it for your full feasibilities. This is the end of this video. Thank you for your time.